Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a student. So if you want to find a particular student, you can use the filters or you can do the quick search over here itself. Now to block any particular child, in front of the name of the child, there's a cross icon. Okay, that's a block icon. You can click on it. It asks you a confirmation whether you want to block the selected user. Now, what is the block type? Duplicate in case if the child is has duplicate entry. Unwanted, it may be for whatever reason. LC generated, that is this child is leaving the school. And modules block. Now, you can also block specific modules like online timetable and learn. So they'll be able to access the app and everything, but they simply won't be able to access the online timetable. There's the online classes, and the learn, that is the LMS part of the system. So in case for any reason, if you want to block particular modules, you can do that also and submit. Okay, so I did a modules block. Now one more child, let's simply do a duplicate block. Okay, submit. Okay, so in this way you can block, and once you block that child, in case for duplicate or LC generated, the child won't be visible in the general register. So if you want to see the blocked students, you have to select show block students and search, and you'll be able to see the name of that particular child or all the children whom you have blocked. Okay.